Welcome to using key features with Polar Ignite. In this video, you'll learn how to use the nightly recharge recovery measurement and the Fitspark daily training guide. Also, have a look at the Polar Serene breathing exercise clip available at the end of this video. Before heading out to train, it's a good idea to check how your body has recovered from training and stress during last night. Your nightly recharge status combines automatically measured information on your autonomic nervous system, ANS, and sleep. ANS charge reflects how well your autonomic nervous system calmed down during the early hours of sleep compared to your usual night. Sleep charge reflects how well you slept compared to your usual night. You need to wear your watch for 3 nights before you start to see the nightly recharge status on your watch. Have a look at the Polar Flow app to dive into more details. In the app, you can find useful daily tips on exercise, sleep, and regulating your energy levels. There are also sleep details, including data about your sleep amount, solidity, and regeneration. Polar Ignite's Fitspark feature offers ready-made daily on-demand workouts adjusted according to your fitness level, recent training history, and nightly recharge status. Fitspark keeps your training versatile, with different types of daily workouts to choose from. If you normally prefer cardio training, it also gives you strength training and supportive training suggestions, and vice versa. To get accurate heart rate data training readings during training, wear the watch on top of your wrist, at least a finger's width up from the wrist bone, and tighten the wristband a bit. Strength training and supportive training sessions are based on ready-made workout plans with exercise animations and real-time step-by-step guidance. All sessions include timers and vibrations that let you know when it's time to switch to the next phase. Continue each movement for 40 seconds. Then rest until the minute is full and start the next movement. Pay attention to good form and full range of motion. Avoid going too fast. When you've completed all rounds of the first set, start the next set manually. You can set the backlight to always on during a session from the quick settings menu. Swipe down from the top of the display to access it. Fitspark's cardio training sessions guide you with heart rate zone limits and tell you how long you need to stay in each zone. The higher your fitness level is, the longer cardio sessions' durations are. Polar Ignite is a GPS fitness watch. You can see your route and pace details in the Flow app and web service. Recovery from training and stress plays a major role in your performance development, optimal daytime functioning, well-being, and health. With Polar Ignite, you can learn how to make better everyday choices to improve the quality of your life.